Yes, sir. So, good morning, everyone. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to today's insightful webinar on Blueprints to Success, a journey into civil engineering. This session is specially curated for aspiring students, young engineers, and everyone passionate about shaping the world's infrastructure. Our goal today is to introduce the vast landscape of civil engineering, highlights its ever-growing infrastructure and its importance into the national development. And we will explore the diverse career path from roads to railways, bridges to smart cities, and sustainable buildings to water management system. The civil and construction industry forms the backbone of nation's progress. It's not just about concrete and steel. It's about innovation, impact, and transformation. Whether your interest lies in structural design, construction project management, geotechnical engineering, urban planning, transportation system, or emerging fields, just like 3D printing and smart materials, civil engineering offers limitless opportunities to build a meaningful and dynamic career. And to guide us on this journey, we are honored to have with us Dr. Anand Asawale, sir. Sir is the General Manager at Karan Builders Limited, Pune, a seasoned professional whose experience and insights will surely inspire and inform. Let's dive into the blueprint of our future. Welcome once again. Now, I would like to request Dr. Praveen Gorde, HOD Civil Engineering, to introduce our university and civil engineering. Sir, over to you.
Able to Moving on. Hi, Dr. Praveen Gorde, HOD Civil Engineering. It gives me an immense pleasure to welcome you all to this special webinar organized by Civil Engineering Department of DY Patil International University, Akodi, Pune. On behalf of the entire department, I extend a warm welcome to all our distinguished speakers, industry experts, faculties, and aspiring civil engineering students for joining this session today. Let me take this opportunity to briefly introduce you about DYPIU and our vibrant civil engineering department. DYPAT International University is a forward-looking institute that believes in shaping a future-ready professionals through innovation, skill-based learning, and global exposure. Our university emphasizes on interdisciplinary education, industry collaboration, and outcome-based pedagogy. We are committed to excellence, not just to academics, but also the research, innovation, and the social responsibility. In view of this, the Department of Civil Engineering is one of the most dynamic industry-aligned department in the university. Our curriculum is built on the foundation of core civil engineering principle, integrated with modern tools, emerging technology, and sustainable practices. We are deeply focused on producing graduates who are not only technically sound, but also socially responsible and industry ready. In view of this, we are also having the Center of Excellence in Civil Engineering. Is one of the key initiatives is the establishment of Center of Excellence in Civil Engineering. We serve as a hub of innovation, training, industry, academic collaboration. Through the center, we aim the gap between theoretical learning and practical application. The center hosts various skill development programs, industrial certificates, and the collaborative projects with the leading companies. We currently in the talk with the leaders of LIT Edutech also and Bosch. In department, Ultratech Cement is given the center of excellence to our students. And when we think about talk about the technology enhancement research part, the department is having the 3D concrete printing facility. We are proud to among of the few universities in India to have a setup of a state-of-art 3D concrete printer laboratory. This cutting-edge facility introduces our students to the future of construction, enabling faster, more sustainable, and automated building techniques. Students get exposed to live site demonstration, hands-on training, and interdepartmental research projects under this 3D concrete printing facility. Department also is focused on the various activities under the guest lectures and industry interactions by visits to keep our students abreast of latest development in the field. We regularly organize expert sessions by the professionals from the industry, academia, and government places. This interaction provides insights into the current practices, upcoming trends, and real-world challenges. Our speakers from the company like Ultratech, L&T, and Bosch, and the various consulting firms, we construct KNS, have shared their experience with our students, offering a valuable perspective beyond the classroom, giving all technical knowledge to our students. The site visits and technical exposure are regularly. We will conduct the site visits for the construction site, material testing lab, water treatment plants, infrastructure projects to provide student a first-hand field expertise, project management, and safety procedures, enriching their understanding of classroom concepts. Also, aligned with this, department is also focusing on the extracurricular and student-driven initiatives. To learning with this, our department encourages our students to participate in technical festa, quizzes, paper presentation, model making competitions, and the design models by using various ICT tools. Department is also having the active professional body of IGBC, Indian Green Building Council, which promotes the leadership, teamwork, and professional networking. Also get engaged with the internship part too. Department is always focused on the MOUs and collaboration with the highly professional culture, highly professional industries to get connected with us, to get an exposure to a student in the real life issues, real life problems. By handling this, in the course, we are having the 3 internship programs like rural industry internship, and research internships. You can work in any part of a rural area for getting the rural internship and get understand their problems, issues, and solve it by your own concept of knowledge. Here you can get guided. So our department is continuously striving out to involve the changing of landscape into the civil engineering, which adapt the PIA model in current semester. Smart material, green infrastructure, and digital twin is the latest upcoming part we are going to add into our syllabus, or getting our students the industry perspective point of view also. As part of, in a conclusion, we can say that the civil engineering department in DYPI is not just a place to earn the degree. Here is nothing but our launch pad to our students who are getting created for the great leaders, innovators, and change makers in the infrastructure world. I invite all inspiring students, partners, and collaborators to join us in this journey of building a sustainable, inclusive, and technologically advanced future. Thank you for giving this as I'm a part of this session. I hope you find good opportunities, insightfulness, and inspiring speech from our guest speaker. Thank you, sir.
So welcome back. We are very fortunate to have with us Dr. Anand Asawale, sir. Who is not just a industry personnel having rich experience of 25 years, but is a seasoned qualified personnel with having a research background also. So started his diploma in civil engineering from Government Polytechnic Nagpur. Then he did his undergraduate from the esteemed VNIT Nagpur. Sir also did project management PMP training and certified project management from prestigious NICMAR. He also did masters in construction management and a PhD in civil engineering. His basically research area is sustainability in construction. So he has published many papers on the reputed in national and international journal. Sir is also a member of various reputed bodies, including American Society of Civil Engineers. With having 25 years of experience, sir got various awards, and he is awarded as a best contractor in Tata Construction Group. Also, he is selected in L&T Group for the leadership program and published various papers in the national and international journal. So it is very difficult to read out and mention here sir's experience, because he has worked at many positions and various reputed organizations, including L&T and Gammon India, then Karan Builders, Shaporji Palanji. So without wasting much more time, I would like to ask sir to enlighten our students who are aspire to take admission in civil engineering. And thanks, sir, for finding time. I don't understand how you find time from your busy schedule to do PhD. Sir, it's a very great thing that you did PhD while having such a responsibility like a general manager. So thank you, sir. Thank you for finding time for us. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Atul sir, for the wonderful introduction. People like you only aspire me to get the PhD, so due credit to you also. Thank you, D.Y. Patil International University, HOD, directors, and all the dignitaries for giving me the opportunity to interact with the budding engineers on this topic. So, what should be the preferred mode of communication? English, Hindi, or Marathi?
Sir, probably English or Marathi will be okay in some cases, because mother tongue is the most favorite way of communicating. So you can also use Marathi.
So,
and
sir,
I communicating. So you can also use Marathi.
So,
and
sir,
Hindi.
I will try to blend Marathi and English so that it will be an understanding and everybody will catch up with the lecture.
Yes.
So,
yes.
First of all, good morning, everyone. And I feel proud to be in front of you describing what are all the opportunities you are going to have in the civil engineering. I'll just tell everyone one thing very clear, ki I am going to speak for 15 minutes only with a short presentation. Afterwards, there will be a Q&A session only, because when you will have a question and answer, then only your most of the doubts will get clear. मी एकटा बोलत राहिलो तर बरेच लोक फोन साईडला ठेवून देतील आणि इकडे तिकडे दुसरीकडे फिरत राहतील. आय ऑल्सो हॅड दॅट एक्सपिरियन्स. So I hope you all will enjoy the presentation which I am going to share with you. And after the presentation, we will have a Q&A session where most of your doubts will be clear. Atul sir, is the presentation visible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, good morning, everyone. The topic which I am going to speak is road ahead in civil engineering, because road is one of my favorite structure and that denote the progress also. So, welcome everyone. Now, what is civil engineering? Civil engineering is shaping the world around us. Civil engineering is one of the oldest and most impactful branches of engineering. It deals with the design, construction, and maintenance of built environment, everything from roads and bridges, skyscrapers, dams, airports, and water systems. Students, you know, civil engineering is the oldest branch of engineering, and one of the first engineering discipline taken by the mankind. And still civil engineering is called as the mother of all engineering branches. So you should always hold proud to be a civil engineer. Now, what are the key growth areas? Now, when we speak of the scope for civil engineers, everybody knows roads, रोड्स मध्ये काम करू, ब्रिजेसला काम करू, बिल्डिंग मध्ये काम करू. But these are all the general things which everybody knows. Today I am going to touch some of the areas which are of the future and which can be a good career option for you all. First thing in that is smart cities and urban planning. See, government has initiated the smart city project in most of the tier 1 and tier 2 cities across India. With initiatives like India's Smart Cities mission, civil engineers are needed to design intelligent infrastructure, integrating IoT, automation, and sustainability. You know, a very good example of this smart cities and urban planning where we have witnessed is during the recent Operation Sindoor. ज्यावेळेस चंदीगडमध्ये आणि एक अजून सिटी आहे, आय कॅनॉट रिकलेक्ट द नेम, अमृतसरमध्ये जेव्हा सायरन वाजले तेव्हा स्मार्ट सिटी प्लॅनिंग वाल्यांनी विदिन फ्रॅक्शन ऑफ सेकंड्स अख्ख्या सिटीचे स्ट्रीट लाईट्स बंद केले. So this is the beauty of smart cities and urban planning, which is a very upcoming career path for all the budding civil engineers. Second is green and sustainable construction. Climate conscious design is in demand. Engineers with expertise in eco-friendly materials, energy efficient buildings and green certifications, LEED and GRIHA will be highly sought of. See, now all the resources on our planets are limited. So time has come that we should think of recycling, using the material in a sustainable way. That's why these LEED and GRIHA certifications are getting mandatory days by day. So any civil engineer who want to make a career in this, it's a very demanding and very high remuneration paying career you can opt for. Then the third option is advanced construction technology. Skills in BIM, that is building information modeling, drone surveying, 3D printing, and AI-driven project management are becoming essential. So if you learn these tools, you will get a good placements in a multinational organization as well as the top construction firms in India. Disaster resilient infrastructure. As a climate risk arises, engineers will be tasked for designing flood-proof, earthquake-resistant, and climate-adaptive structures. Now you have seen in the upper part of India, especially in the Himalayan mountain areas, there are a lot of landslides and floods, flash floods are there. So now it is tasked on us only as a civil engineers to make the structures which can sustain these things. So these kind of learnings are also coming up in a big way. Renewable energy projects. Civil engineers are playing key roles in solar farms, wind energy installation, and sustainable water system. See, as I told earlier also, all the resources are limited with us, whether it is coal for producing the energy, whether it is, say, if you can say the water, again, water is limited. So here we have a very limitations on all the resources. So now we have to design the thing, we have to make the structures which are sustainable and where energy, renewable energy is used. Now the main questions, where we can work. Now when we say where we can work, there is a scope in government organizations, private organizations, and entrepreneurship. So these areas, briefly I am going to touch for you peoples. Government job opportunities for the civil engineers. Civil engineering offers wide range of government opportunities in India with roles spanning in infrastructure development, urban planning, water management, and public safety. Just for your reference, few of the top government departments which are hiring civil engineers are Public Works Department, Central Public Works Department, National Highways Authority of India, Railway Recruitment Board, municipal corporations, defense, public organization like ONGC, BHEL, NTPC, and sales and state departments. These all government jobs you can apply through UPSC, MPSC, and other state boards exam where you can get yourself qualified for all these jobs. Private opportunities. See, construction is second major industry in India after farming. and it is growing very rapidly. I am here listed few of the top companies like Larsen and Toubro. It is India's largest EPC firm, which has done iconic projects like Hyderabad Metro, Statue of Unity, Tata Projects. It is well known for its smart city, metro, and airport projects. Shapurji Palanji, again a legendary builder specialized in high-rise building and urban infrastructures. Hindustan Constructions, which has built the famous Bandra Worli sea link and strong presence in hydro and transport sector. Gammon India, one of the record holder for building the most of the bridges in India. Afcons, they are expert in tunnels, metros, marine works. They are a part of a Shapurji Palanji group. Recently, the Chenab River Bridge, which we are seeing in lot of advertises now, it is constructed by Afcons. Godrej is again a very reputed name in real estate and townships development. Nagarjuna, this is the public listed which works in water and mining. KEC, again a company which works in major civil works, and Simplex, which has done numerous projects in India. Apart from this, if you say the top groups in India, which are not actually construction group, but they are having a more than 1 lakh crore turnover coming from their construction wing. They are Adani and Reliance. So those two also are very big, we can say, developers and promoters in India. Apart from these two, there is an option for working as an entrepreneur. स्वतःचा बिझनेस चालू करणे. आता स्वतःचा बिझनेस तुम्ही काय काय करू शकता? You can become a consultant. You can become an interior designer. You can become a contractor. You can become say expert in testings and material labs. You can become experts in foundation designings. You can be a good BIM modeler. You can do a lot of drafting and detailing works. So as an entrepreneur also, you will have a lot of opportunities in our India. Basically, these are very general kind of things which I have touched. Now, the next part which I want to move upon, which are the special opportunities which are coming up in the future. So everybody should be, as a budding engineer, you should try to learn these things so that you can be a part of the upcoming trends and not go into the regular kind of work. Because see, our construction industry has a beauty that a non-civil engineer can also become a contractor. तो सुद्धा साईटवर कामं करू शकतो. आणि कन्स्ट्रक्शन इंडस्ट्री अशी आहे की तुम्ही एकदा अनुभवातनंही शिकायला लावतो. त्यामुळे जर तुम्ही एक सिव्हिल इंजिनियर असाल तर एक नॉन सिव्हिल इंजिनियर पेक्षा तुम्ही वेगळे कसे, ह्याच्याकरताच तुम्हाला आता नवीन नवीन टेक्नॉलॉजीज अडॉप्ट कराव्या लागतील, नवीन गोष्टी शिकाव्या लागतील. आणि त्या 7-8 पॉइंट्स मी इथे मेन्शन केलेले आहेत, which I feel everybody should try. This excuse me. Now, first emerging trend, that is a digital twin technology. See, digital twin technology creates a virtual replicas of physical infrastructures, enabling real-time monitoring, predictive maintenance, and simulation. Enhances collaboration among stakeholders. See, this digital twin technology, if we say we are quoting an example of a dam. So we create a virtual replica of a dam. So by creating a virtual replica, we can predict what are all the details required, what are all the intricacies are there, what are the cross-function involvements. म्हणजे वेगवेगळ्या डिपार्टमेंटच्या काय इन्व्हॉल्वमेंट आहे. कारण तुम्हाला गेट्स बसवायला मेकॅनिकल टीम लागणार, पॉवर ग्रिड टाकायला इलेक्ट्रिकल टीम लागणार, आणि डॅम कन्स्ट्रक्ट करायला सिव्हिल टीम लागणार. तर कोणाची एंट्री कधी व्हायला पाहिजे, ते कधी कधी आले पाहिजे आणि कधी ते बाहेर पडले पाहिजे, म्हणजे कोणाचं काम थांबणार नाही. सो दिस हेल्प्स व्हेरी गुड वे व्हेन वी यूज अ डिजिटल ट्विन टेक्नॉलॉजी. This also helps us to monitor the project remotely when your management is sitting outside. So they can manage these things remotely and see what is the project happening at the site. The second is BIM, that is Building Information Model. So I believe that in your 3rd year and 4th year also this BIM course is already included by the university. Am I right, Kohli sir?
Yes,
I
sir.
think
We have included BIM as a separate course. So, in another,
okay,
in our regular format, there were just part of our curriculum. That was
okay,
part of project management course. But now we have
okay.
introduced a separate course in our curriculum. So we have just added advancement as well as we are taking care of the basics fundamentals.
The BIM why I want to tell all these engineers definitely go for this, because in coming 1 or 2 years everyone is going to need a BIM. जसं ऑटोकॅड एक 15 वर्षापूर्वी आलं आणि आज प्रत्येक जण ऑटोकॅड वापरतोय. BIM is a advanced version of AutoCAD, you can say. See, in this 3D model, everybody knows की 3 dimensional. 4D मॉडेल इज ते 3 डायमेन्शनल मॉडेल कसं प्रोग्रेस होतं तर टाइम लॅब्स मध्ये आपल्याला कळत जात होतं. ऍट गिव्हन पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम प्रोजेक्ट 6 महिन्यात कसा दिसेल, 8 महिन्यांनी कसा दिसेल, 9 महिन्यांनी कसा दिसेल, हे सुद्धा आपल्याला त्याच्यात कळतं. व्हॉट इज अ 5D इन दॅट. ऑन 4D वी कॅन ऍड अप द कॉस्ट की 3 महिन्यात प्रोजेक्टला किती कॉस्ट लागली राहील, 4 महिन्यात किती राहील, 5 महिन्यात किती राहील. आता वाय कॉस्ट इज, कारण कुठलाही प्रोजेक्ट करायचं तर त्याच्याकरता पैसे लागतात. फायनान्स इज रिक्वायर्ड. सो व्हेन द फायनान्स शुड कम, when it has to be money has to be added in the project, this gives you a very precise information when you put a 5D model of BIM. Similarly, when you go for a 6D model, when the project is ready, what are all the facilities to be added in that, that gets added into the project. So my sincere request to all the students to go for BIM study. It will help you a lot and lot in your career, and it's one of the highest paying job. Some people are getting 18 to 20 lakh rupees package just for having a 2 years of BIM experience. So BIM moves beyond 3D to 4D time, 5D cost, and 6D facility management. It supports projects, integrated delivery, IPD for seamless coordination. Modular construction and 3D printing. Now, as your HOD sir said, ki 3D printing is facilities available in your campus. So again, everybody should see how it works, what are the facilities. आणि अशा विषयात राहू नका की 3D प्रिंटिंग हे फक्त IT मधले पार्ट्स किंवा कम्प्युटर मधले पार्ट्स किंवा मेकॅनिकल मधले काही जॉब्स बनवायला 3D प्रिंटिंग होतात. L&T कंपनीने 3D प्रिंटिंग मध्ये घरं बनवायला सुरुवात केली आहे. G+1 चे बंगले ते लोक 3D प्रिंटिंग मध्ये करून हँडओव्हर करतात त्या लोकांना. आणि याचा फायदा काय आहे की आज आपली जी कन्स्ट्रक्शन इंडस्ट्री आहे, दिस इज बेसिकली लेबर डिपेंडेंट. आपण लेबरवर डिपेंड असतो. आपल्याला जर लेबर नसले तर आपण काही काम नाही करू शकत. पण जसं जसं आपला भारत देश प्रगती करतो आहे, प्रत्येक जण शिकतो आहे, तसं तसं ब्लू कॉलर जॉब करणारे म्हणजे लेबर वर्क करणारे लेबर कमी होत चालले. कारण शिकल्यावर प्रत्येकाला वाटतं की आपण काहीतरी मोठं काम करावं. आणि जेव्हा तुमचं लेबर कमी होणार आहे तेव्हा तुम्ही काम कोणाकडनं करून घेणार. सो ही जी लेबरवरची डिपेंडन्सी आहे ती आपल्याला हळूहळू कमी करत जावी लागेल. कदाचित आज जे तुम्ही 20-22 वर्षाचे आहात, तुम्ही 20 वर्षांनी बघाल तर तुमच्या साईटवर 10च लेबर राहतील आणि बाकी सगळं मशीन तुम्ही काम होणार 3D प्रिंटिंग. सो लर्न दिस टेक्नॉलॉजी राईट नाउ so that you will be ahead on the curve when the demand rises. So it will be a very advantageous for you people so to have a knowledge of 3D printing. Again, fourth point is sustainable and green building practices. See, sustainable म्हणजे हा माझा आवडता विषय कारण आणि PhD याच्यात आहे. तर सस्टेनेबल म्हणजे टिकून राहण्याकरता आपल्याला काय पाहिजे आहे त्याच्याकरता. आज तुम्ही म्हणाल जेव्हा बिल्डिंगची परमिशन्स मिळतात, कुठल्याही प्रोजेक्टची परमिशन मिळते तर त्याचा एन्व्हायरमेंटवर इम्पॅक्ट आणि तो सस्टेनेबल आहे का, म्हणजे त्यातनं निसर्गाचं काही हानी होत नाहीये का, हे चेक केल्याशिवाय त्याला परमिशन मिळत नाही. बऱ्याच वेळा तुम्ही पेपरमध्ये ऐकलं असेल की मेट्रो शेडचं काम थांबवण्यात आलं कारण ते सस्टेनेबल नाही म्हणून. तर ह्याच्याकरता नेहमी लक्षात ठेवा की सस्टेनेबिलिटी इज गोइंग टू बी अ बिग थिंग इन कमिंग फ्युचर. So if you learn something of sustainability, green buildings, get yourself certified for that, you can act as a consultant, which is a very good career for people who want to opt for an office job or who want to do a desk job. So certifications can be done through Leeds and Griha also. So what is sustainable and green building practices? That is the use of recycled concrete, bamboo, hemp compost and self-healing materials. Focus on net zero energy buildings and circular economy principles. स्मार्ट इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर अँड IoT इंटिग्रेशन. आज तुम्ही जे बघताय स्मार्ट सिटीज ज्याची ॲडव्हर्टाईज गेली 4 वर्ष आपले माननीय पंतप्रधान करतात आहेत. तर स्मार्ट सिटीज याच्याकरता की जेव्हा एका गोष्टीशी बाकी सगळे इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर लिंक असलं पाहिजे. म्हणजे ट्रॅफिक जॅम्स नको व्हायला. जी डेव्हलपमेंट होते ती फक्त नुसती बिल्डिंग बांधून डेव्हलपमेंट होत नाही, तर इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर सुद्धा त्याच्यासोबत डेव्हलप झालं पाहिजे. ट्रॅफिक मॅनेजमेंट झालं पाहिजे. एन्व्हायरमेंटचं त्याच्यात नुकसान नको व्हायला. हे बघून जे इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेव्हलप होतो दॅट इज स्मार्ट इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर. आणि त्याच्यात विथ इंटरनेट ओव्हर टेलिकॉम इंटिग्रेशन जे करतात त्याच्यामुळे की एकाच वेळेमध्ये सगळे ग्रिड्स तुम्हाला कंट्रोल करता आले पाहिजे किंवा पुढे प्रॉब्लेम झाला तर यू विल बी एबल टू ॲड्रेस दिस. सो दिस इज अगेन यू कॅन लर्न अ गुड थिंग इन दॅट अँड हॅव अ गुड करियर इन दिस. AI machine learning designs, again this helps in optimizing planning, risk assessment and predictive maintenance, reduces errors and project efficiency. आता हा जो AI and ML जो आहे ते आपल्या सिव्हिल इंजिनिअरिंगमध्ये त्या मोठ्या प्रमाणात आलं नाही. कारण कसं आहे की आपला जो फील्ड आहे इथे फिजिकली माणसांना असावं लागतं. पण AI and MLचा रोल ह्याच्यात आपण कसं करू शकतो की जेव्हा आपण प्लॅनिंग करतोय प्रोजेक्ट करता तर जुन्या प्रोजेक्टचा डाटा घेऊन त्याच्यातनं रिस्क असेसमेंट काय आहे, त्या ह्याच्यात होणारे मेंटेनन्स काय येऊ शकतात, काय म्हणजे प्रॉब्लेम्स काय येऊ शकतात, कुठले हिंड्रन्स असू शकतात सिमिलर काइंड ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट केले तर ते एआयच्या मदतीने जर आपण हे केलं तर आपलं ऑप्टिमाइज प्लॅनिंग कमीत कमी वेळात आणि कमीत कमी खर्चात आपल्याला तो प्रोजेक्ट करता येण्यासारखा असतो. So again, this is a incoming domain for a lot of new civil engineers. They should try it also. Drones and robotics. हे ऑलरेडी गेल्या 4 वर्षापासून सुरू झालं आहे. Drones are widely used for surveying, inspection and construction automation. Improve safety and speeds at site assignments. आता जे सर्वे करायला पहिले 25-30 वर्षापूर्वी 6-6 महिने 8-8 महिने लागायचे ते सर्वे जर ड्रोनच्या मदतीने काही दिवसांमध्ये करता येतात. अँड ड्रोन्स गिव्ह यू व्हेरी प्रिसाइज लोकेशन. GIS इंटिग्रेशन करून डायरेक्ट तुम्हाला मॅप्सवर, गुगल मॅप्सवर किंवा तुमच्या मॅप्सवर त्याला इंटिग्रेट करून येतं, त्याचे कॉर्डिनेट्स मिळतात आणि तुमचं काम अगदी प्रिसाइज असतं. प्रोजेक्ट कुठे हालत नाही. त्या प्रोजेक्टमध्ये काही हिंड्रन्स असलेस बाय मे बी नॅचरल ऑर मॅनमेड ते तुम्हाला या सर्वेमुळे आधीच कळतं. दुसरं हाय रिस्क एरियाज जे असतात जिथे लेबरला पाठवून आपल्याला रिस्क नाही घेऊ शकत त्या जागी तुम्ही रोबोटिक्सचाही वापर करू शकता. तर तुम्ही कोणी जर नेटवर सर्च केलं तर तुम्हाला आजकाल सापडेल की प्लास्टरिंग आणि ब्रिक लेईंगचे रोबोटिक असिस्टंट मशीन्स आलेले आहेत जे ऑटोमॅटिकली ब्रिक लेईंग आणि प्लास्टरिंग सुद्धा करतात. बऱ्याच एरियामध्ये याचा अजून रिसर्च सुरू आहे. पण अगेन दिस इज अ गुड थिंग टू लर्न फॉर युअर पीपल. अगेन ऑग्युमेंटेड अँड व्हर्च्युअल रियालिटी. सी आपलं कुठलंही प्रोडक्ट झाल्यावर कसं दिसेल हे तुम्हाला इन्व्हेस्टर्सला सांगावं लागतं. कारण ॲज अ सिव्हिल इंजिनियर तुम्हाला ते व्हिज्युअलाइज होतं. आणि एखादा जो नॉन सिव्हिल इंजिनियर असतो किंवा फायनान्समधला असतो त्याला ते व्हिज्युअलायझेशन होत नाही. मग तो तुमच्या प्रोजेक्टमध्ये पैसे टाकता येणार कसे. त्याच्याकरता ऑग्युमेंटेड अँड व्हर्च्युअल रियालिटी इज अ न्यू टूल. इट अलाउज इमेन्स डिझाईन रिव्ह्यूज अँड स्टेक होल्डर्स वॉक थ्रू, एनहान्सेस ट्रेनिंग अँड रिड्युसेस कॉस्टली ऑन साईट चेंजेस. ह्याच्यामध्ये काय होतं तुम्ही व्हर्च्युअली तुमच्या प्रोजेक्टचं मॉडेल बनवू शकता. त्याच्यात येणारे प्रॉब्लेम्स अँटिसिपेट करू शकता. काही येणारे चेंजेस असतील तर ते तुम्ही बघू शकता. काही चेंजेस जे ऑन साईट करताना जास्ती खर्च आणि वेळ वाया जाणार आहे ते तुम्ही व्हर्च्युअली चेक करून व्हर्च्युअली ऑब्झर्व करून लगेच ते तिथेच चेंज करून म्हणजे डुईंग करेक्ट ॲट द फर्स्ट वे यू कॅन अडॉप्ट बाय विथ द हेल्प ऑफ व्हर्च्युअल रियालिटी अँड रिवर्क कॅन बी अवॉइडेड. वन्स यू अवॉइड द रिवर्क्स तुमची कॉस्ट वाचते, तुमचे रिसोर्सेस वाचते. And the last point is resilient infrastructure and disaster management. Design that withstand floods, earthquake and climate changes. Increase focusing on risk mitigation and urban resilience. आता प्रत्येक एरियाचा स्टडी करून तिथे तुम्ही फ्लड्स येऊ शकतात का हा एक हिस्टॉरिकल डाटा बघून त्याप्रमाणे तुमचे स्ट्रक्चर बनवू शकता. अर्थक्वेक प्रोन झोन्स असतात. आतापर्यंत आपण डिझाईन करताना सिस्मिक झोन कुठले आहेत तेवढं बघूनच डिझाईन करायचं. पण आता जर तुम्ही हिस्टॉरिक डाटा त्याचा घेतला अर्थक्वेकचा तर तुम्ही त्याप्रमाणे त्याचे फुटिंग्स फाउंडेशन्स डिझाईन करू शकता आणि भविष्यात होणारं नुकसान जीवितहानी हे टाळू शकता. त्याचप्रमाणे क्लायमेट स्ट्रेस म्हणजे क्लायमेटिक कंडिशन्सचं कुठे कुठे काय इफेक्ट होतो, म्हणजे कुठे जर तुमचं हीट खूप जास्ती आहे तर तिथे तुम्हाला कसे स्ट्रक्चर घ्यायला लागतील, हा सगळं हिस्टॉरिक डाटावरून यू कॅन स्टडी. अगेन दिस इज अ व्हेरी अपकमिंग वे थिंग्स which and the people who prefer to do the desk job, they can go for this infrastructure and disaster management. Now guys, this is just what brief I have brief you all. Now I would like to have a questions from your end so that I can answer the things and we can go ahead with that. So please. Anybody having questions?
If anybody having question, just raise your hand so that I can unmute you.
Hello, sir. This is Priyanka Zaure. Am I audible
Yes,
to
ma'am.
you? Yes,
Yes.
sir. I'm assistant professor at DYPIU, sir. I want to ask,
Okay.
what are the different emerging career opportunities for civil engineers in the water resources sector, considering the current advancement in sustainable infrastructure and climate resilient development?
प्रियंका मॅडम, तुमचा प्रश्न फारच चांगला आहे. आता वॉटर रिसोर्सेस मध्ये प्रत्येकाला टार्गेट देण्यात आलेलं आहे. सो हायड्रोलॉजी आणि वॉटर आणि वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट हे ज्या स्पेशलायझेशन्स आहेत, म्हणजे स्पेसिफिकली पीजीजला त्या जर केल्यात ना, तर त्याच्यामुळे काय होतं की आता प्रत्येक कंपनीला टार्गेट आहे की बाय 2030 युअर कन्स्ट्रक्शन शुड बी वॉटर न्यूट्रल. म्हणजे जेवढं तुम्हाला पाणी लागणार आहे तुमच्या प्रोजेक्ट करता ते तुम्ही प्रोजेक्ट मधनं जनरेट करायचं आहे आणि कुठलंही पाणी वेस्टेज नाही जाऊ द्यायचं आहे. त्याच्यामुळे दिस इज व्हेरी गुड थिंग. दुसरं, डॅम्स. आतापर्यंत डॅम्स आणि याच्यामध्ये फक्त डॅम बांधला, पाण्याचं डिस्ट्रीब्युशन नेटवर्क एवढंच बघायचे. आता त्याच्यात इव्हॅपोरेशन लॉसेस कसे कमी करता येतील, ट्रान्झिशन लॉसेस कसे कमी करता येतील, ह्या बऱ्याचशा नवीन नवीन ट्रेंड्स येतात आहे. आय डोंट नो अजून करिक्युलम मध्ये ते ऍड नाही केलंय, पण वॉटर वर्क्स डिपार्टमेंट जे आपल्या खडकवासल्याला आहे, they are doing a very big way on that. So definitely people, if they are opting for it, they will have a very good opportunity in future, and every company will have a peoples to study on the water and maybe environment neutrality.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much for your insights.
Yes, Vaibhav.
सर एक क्वेश्चन होता.
बोला ना.
सर जर आपण समजा गव्हर्नमेंट जॉब जॉईन केला सर, सिव्हिल झाल्यानंतर बीटेक सिव्हिल समजा,
हा हा.
आणि मग त्यानंतर आपण लायसन्स काढू शकतो, कन्स्ट्रक्शन लायसन्स?
कसं असतं माहितीये का, म्हणजे याच्यात दोन गोष्टी आहेत. कन्स्ट्रक्शन लायसन्स काढायला हरकत नाही, पण बऱ्याचशा कंपन्यांचं आणि गव्हर्नमेंट डिपार्टमेंटचं ना एक क्लॉज असतो की तुम्ही जर कुठे नोकरी करता आहात तर तुम्ही बाहेर काम नाही करू शकत, कारण तिथे ना कॉन्फ्लिक्ट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट होतो. म्हणजे उदाहरण द्यायचं तर समजा तू पुणे नगरपालिकेत सिव्हिल इंजिनियर म्हणून लागलास, ठीक आहे, आणि तू रजिस्टर्ड लायसन कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर घेऊन तू जर एखाद्या फुटपाथचं काम घेतलं करायचं, तर तो तुझा कॉन्फ्लिक्ट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट होतो. त्यामुळे शक्यतोर ड्युएल बिझनेस करायला अलाउ करत नाही.
ओके.
याच्यात एक लक्षात ठेवा की आपल्याला एथिकली फार क्लिअर राहावं लागतं. त्यामुळे वेनेवर सच काइंड ऑफ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट अरायझेस की तुम्ही कुठेतरी काम करताय आणि तिथे असंही जाणवतं की बाबा तुम्हाला दुसरं काही काम आपण हातात घेतलंय पर्सनली, तर तुम्ही आपल्या एम्प्लॉयरला नेहमी त्याच्याबद्दल आधीच कल्पना देऊन ठेवा, अगदी किती छोटं असलं तरी किंवा किती मोठं असलं. सो दॅट विल शो युअर इंटिग्रिटी. Anyone having any questions?
Sir, as you have having huge experience in project management, you also did project management PMI. So how to prepare for this PMI?
Sir, PMI करायला म्हणजे अगदी ऑनेस्टली कन्सिस्टन्सी लागते. विषय खूप कठीण नाही आहे, पण प्रॅक्टिसची फार गरज असते सर. म्हणजे ज्याला कोणाला PMI करायचं असेल, म्हणजे PMP सर्टिफिकेशन घ्यायचं असेल, तर त्यांनी थोडीशी मेहनत करायची तयारी घ्यावी. कारण PMP एक्झाम इज क्वाईट टफ. प्लॅनिंग बेसच असते. फक्त तुमचा मेहनत घ्यावी लागेल सर, बाकी दुसरं काही नाही लागेल. कॉन्सेप्ट आर व्हेरी सिमिलर टू अस.
Exactly, exactly. And many of people, even now today also, they are just thinking that civil engineering means buildings. So can you throw more light on infrastructure sector and project management? Because project management itself is a branch where
Yeah.
economics, finance, and all those things are included.
याच्यात कसं आहे सर, आता म्हणजे अगदी सगळे आपले सिव्हिल इंजिनियर आहे म्हणूनच सांगतो की सगळ्यांना आकर्षण काय असतं IT चं, की बाबा वर्क फ्रॉम होम आहे किंवा ऑफिस जॉब आहे, AC मध्ये काम करायचं आहे. तर येस, सिव्हिलमध्येही तशा ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज आहेत. प्रोजेक्ट मॅनेजमेंट टीममध्ये जर असलात तर यू हॅव अ ऑफिस बेस्ड जॉब, आणि इट इज अ हार्ट ऑफ एनी कन्स्ट्रक्शन, दॅट प्रोजेक्ट मॅनेजमेंट. सो जेव्हा जर तुम्हाला प्रोजेक्ट मॅनेजमेंटमध्ये काम करायचं आहे, फक्त आहे की तुमचं यू शुड हॅव अ व्हेरी गुड स्किल्स ऑन द सॉफ्टवेअर्स लाईक प्रायमावेरा, MSP. तुमचं थोडंसं ॲनालिटिकल स्किल्स खूप स्ट्रॉंग पाहिजे. ह्या दोन गोष्टी असल्या तर ते करण्यासारख्या. म्हणजे नुसती बिल्डिंग बांधतो असं नाही आहे, ते करू शकतो. BIM मध्ये जर कोणाला काम करायचं असेल तर डिझायनिंग मध्ये आपण काम करू शकतो, विच इज अगेन अ ऑफिस बेस्ड जॉब. आणि there are a lot of jobs like consultants if you can do. You can be a environment consultants, you can be a design consultants. आजकाल एक नवीन आहे की डिटेलर्स सुद्धा असतात बरेच, which are running a very good हे. So lot of opportunities are there. So civil is not limited to building. I'll say there are power plants. Power plant, एक power plant 10,000 करोडचा असतो. So opportunities are huge. आणि सर असंही नाही सॅलरीज कमी आहे. When you go to senior management, the package may be 4 to 5 crore rupees per annum also. Some Shubhra is there, sir. तिने हात रेस केला.
Shubhra, yes.
Yes, Shubhra.
माझा आवाज येतो? तो
हो,
माझा
येतोय.
क्वेश्चन असा आहे की तुम्ही आता सेशन मध्ये सांगितलं BIM बद्दल, की पुढे जाऊन BIM ला आणि आता इंडिया कसं BIM ला अडॅप्ट करतंय.
बरोबर.
तर मला थोडीफार माहिती आहे BIM बद्दल, कारण आता वेकेशन मध्ये मी रिसर्च केली आहे आणि तो सेक्टर मला खूप अट्रॅक्ट करतोय. आणि प्लस मला अर्बन इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर मध्ये करिअर करायचंच आहे. सो
ओके.
मला जॉब ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज काय काय आहेत?
कसं असतं, BIMचा बेस आहे रिवेट कॅम अँड नॅवेस म्हणून. ओके, ते आता तू रिसर्च केलं असेल तर तू त्यात बघितलं असेल. सो गेट युअर सेल्फ अ गुड इन्स्टिट्यूट वेअर यू कॅन गेट अ सर्टिफिकेशन ऑन BIM. आणि जर तू BIM मधनं क्लिअर केलं तर एनी कंपनी विल पिक यू अप फॉर अ सॅलरी स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 6 lakhs per annum अँड अपवर्ड. 6 lakhs इज बेसिक, आय एम टेलिंग. त्याच्या पुढेच तुला पॅकेज राहिले. Just get yourself certified from some BIM institute. Take a 3 months or 6 months training. Your faculty can guide that, which are the institutes which are there. And it's a very excellent career opportunity. And being a girl, you will enjoy that.
सो लाईक जर मी सेकंड इयर पासून जर तुम्ही कोर्स घेतला BIM चा, जसं तुम्ही बोलले, तर मग मला इंटर्नशिप साठी भेटेल का?
सेकंड इयर पेक्षा प्रिफरली गो फॉर थर्ड इयर. कारण कसं आहे, दीज आर ऑल व्हेरी इव्हॉल्विंग टेक्नॉलॉजीज. 2 वर्षात त्या खूप बदलून जातात. सो वन्स यू फिनिश सेकंड इयर, गो फॉर द BIM कोर्स and definitely you will get an internship anywhere in any major companies. They are looking for BIM people. So you need not have to worry. In fact, you will get internship, and as soon as you pass out, you will get placed also there only. Shapurji Palanji is searching for BIM engineers in Pune, and lot others are also there. Pule sir, I think no more questions are there. So can I conclude the session?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I think Harshal is there.
Yes,
सर
yes,
मुझे ये पूछना था कि BIM मॉडलिंग करके अकेला मतलब उससे ऑफिस बेस्ड जॉब लग सकती है?
पूरा ऑफिस बेसिस जॉब रहेगा हर्षल वो।
अच्छा, तो अकेला मतलब बीआईएम से काम चलेगा या और कुछ भी सीखना पड़ेगा?
मतलब सिविल इंजीनियर तो तुम हो जाओगे, अकेले बीएम से हो जाएगा, पर हर्षल हरदम एक चीज याद रखना कि ये जो सॉफ्टवेयर बेस्ड जॉब रहते हैं ना, तो आपको आपको अपने आप को अपग्रेड रखना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि
अच्छा।
आप अगर एक बार जॉब ज्वाइन हो गए तो मे बी हर 1 साल 2 साल में उसके नए वर्जन आते हैं, नए टूल्स आते हैं। तो जस्ट कीप योर सेल्फ अपडेटेड, बट यू कैन हैव 100% ऑफिस बेस्ड जॉब
स्टार्टिंग से ही?
एकदम फ्रॉम द डे वन।
और
तो
सैलरी कितना
बीआईएम इज
रहेगा?
बेसिकली क्या रहे व्हाट
सैलरी?
सैलरी आज के डेट में 6 लाख से ऊपर ही मिलेगा फ्रेशर को,
स्टार्टिंग से ही?
स्टार्टिंग से, बिकॉज देयर इज अ शॉर्टेज ऑफ बीआईएम इंजीनियर्स। आप अच्छा प्रूव करते हो तो मे बी 10 लाख 12 लाख इज ऑल्सो नॉट अ बैरियर।
ओके सर, थैंक यू सर।
Yeah. So thank you everyone for your wonderful for this wonderful session and giving me an opportunity to interact with you all. Atul sir, thank you very much for the opportunity and look forward to collaborate with you in future also.
Yes, sir. Definitely, we are looking for collaboration and the industries like Shapoorji Palanji, and you are working in prestigious Karan builders. We will be definitely to have board and signing MOU in terms of so that our student can go for the internship and having project opportunities with the prestigious organizations like.
Sure.
Thank you, sir. So I
Thank
am
you
very
very
much
much.
thankful to you. Yes. Anyone having question? So I hope the session, the questions are over. So first and foremost, I am thankful to Dr. Anand Asawale, sir, for finding time from your busy schedule, sir. Thank you very much, sir. You have covered all the areas, I am sure, with your thorough information and detailed talk. The parents and students who are in dilemma will take wise decision to choose civil engineering as a career option. Thank you very
You
much,
can
sir.
share my number. If anybody has some doubts, they can reach me out on WhatsApp. Not a problem.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Definitely. I'm very
Thank
much.
you, sir.
Yes, thank you, sir. I'm also thankful to our management, our Honorable Tejas Patil, sir, Trustee DY Patil Education Complex for the continuous support. I'm thankful to our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Manish Balla, sir, and Director of ACMR, respected Dr. A.V. Patil, madam, for the motivation. I am thankful to faculty and staff members of D.Y. Patil International University, especially civil engineering faculties and department for taking effort to make this webinar successful. Last but not least, thanks to all the attendees. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir. I declare the session is over.